This little device costs $152 and simply plugs into your car and bam, you're earning crypto. That easy? Yes, that easy. So what's in the box? Well, let's go ahead and take a look. And here we have it, the brand new DIMO LTE R1. You simply plug the DIMO LTE R1 into your car and instantly have access to things like, well, let's say your car's stolen. Well, you can track it with the DIMO LTE R1. Or maybe you need to review error codes on the dashboard. What do they mean? The DIMO can tell you. Finally, you can check out better fuel efficiency statistics and engine status and much, much more with the DIMO LTE R1. Finally, this device runs on its own independent 4G and has a 2G backup. Plus, it earns you crypto. Yes, that's right, crypto. Hands off, passive income. A little Easter egg here, I'm giving away 5 DIMO LTE R1s. Stay tuned for more details. So what is DIMO? One of my easiest hands-off DEPIN crypto mining projects since I started in 2021. To break the DIMO project down in its simplest level, the DIMO device collects data about your vehicle and monetizes it at a massive scale. How big? 118,655 devices deployed in cars worldwide. As a vehicle owner, you are then rewarded in a crypto called DIMO. DIMO is the native blockchain-based token of the DIMO protocol that is issued to users and contributors. You can think of it like airline reward points, but for your car, and it adds in superpowers. Never heard of DIMO? No worries, I got you. DIMO is an ERC20 token on the Polygon and Ethereum blockchain with 1 billion token supply. DIMO at its all-time high in December of 2023, just a year ago, was 78 cents. And today in 2024, reaching into 2025, we're at 16 cents. So there is loads of potential, especially if you get in now. So let's talk real numbers. I have the DIMO AutoPi, which is last year's model, running since about December 11th of 2023. So we're just shy of 1 year, running for about 350 days, which has earned us level 4 status. So you start off at level 1, and the longer your device is active and you're driving at least once a week, the higher level you earn. And well, what does that level mean? That means higher rewards. So I am 11 days shy of 365 days, and I have earned roughly 5,800 DIMO, which in today's market is worth roughly about $977. And at DIMO's all-time high, 4,577. Now, I've taken full advantage of some of the DIMO perks with sending my referral code to friends and family, especially those with a smart car. If you have a smart car, you can actually bypass buying the DIMO device and download the app right to your car. You bunch of cheaters. I'm just kidding. Anyways, with the DIMO app, you can get a referral code. Here's mine off to the side. If you sign up with my code, you can get 50 DIMO. And guess what? So do I. So it's a win-win. I'll put a link in the video description with all the details and the codes. So what does the expected payout look like for the DIMO LTE R1? Here's a fantastic chart from Osvaldo that breaks this down perfectly. Stick with me here. This looks overwhelming, but it's really not. Look at the very bottom. So on November 18th of 2024, let's take a look at the payout structure. So as you can see, on that day, there was 117,455 vehicles on the DIMO network. Level 1 DIMO owners were earning 23 DIMO a week, paid every Monday for the previous week's uptime. Level 2, 26. Level 3, 30. Level 4, 34. Keep in mind, if you're a Tesla or a smart car owner running the DIMO app in your car, rewards are slightly less, which you can see to the right. The two largest factors with rewards are your level and the number of cars connected to the ecosystem. Talking about rewards, what exchanges is DIMO on in case you're ready to liquidate today? Well, Some of the big ones are Coinbase, Gate.io, Uniswap, and finally BingX. So you ready to see how easy this is to install? Let's go outside and install this in my 2009 Nissan Rogue. So how easy is the install process for the DIMO LTE R1? Since I already had the DIMO app, I was one step ahead. So I went ahead and opened the app, selected Garage in the bottom left-hand corner, and then I selected the plus in the upper right-hand corner to add a new car to my DIMO garage. Since I have a physical DIMO device, I picked the first option, but if you have a Tesla or a smart car, you'd select the second one. Next, since I have the device in hand, I picked yes, start pairing. Per the instructions, I turned on my car and I plugged in the DIMO LTE R1 into the OBD port directly underneath of my dashboard. Now that my DIMO LTE R1 is plugged in and the car is running, I selected device is powered on. Make sure your Bluetooth is on your phone, as the next step it searches for the DIMO device and connects to it. We are almost finished. It's that easy. Then I selected proceed with setup. After a minute or two, we are ready to create the vehicle ID and link the device to my account. And bam, look at that, we're done. Now I can't show too much more here as it shows my location, but as you can see, my 2010 Nissan Rogue is in my garage with my wife's 2020 Honda Odyssey, both with DIMO devices. We're now ready to earn DIMO. Okay, you're ready to buy the DIMO LTE R1, or you have a smart car and you're ready to download the app entirely free. Follow the link directly down below in the video description or the first pinned comment. Once you find the DIMO LTE R1, add it to your cart and begin the checkout process. When you're prompted for a discount code, enter hobbyist10, one word, which will bring the subtotal down to $152.10. I actually want to snag a few more of these and install them in friends and family's cars. Kind of create my own little fleet of DIMO earning machines. All right, so let's talk about the giveaway. If you guys have stayed this long in the video, congratulations. You have a chance to win one of 5 DIMO LTE R1 devices. And how do you enter the giveaway? It's actually really easy. Comment directly down below and let me know the year, make, and model of your vehicle. And in 2 weeks, I will pick 5 winners and DIMO will be shipping out your DIMO LTE R1 directly to you entirely free. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video on the DIMO LTE R1. If you guys are big into DEPIN and you want to learn more, here's 2 more videos and projects on devices that I've really enjoyed getting into over the last year that I think you would like.